guys, I think you remember my friend Juan, right?
Hey guys.
We're in the snow and I stole my dad's four-wheel drive car and it's super fun. And I'm picking up my other friend too, and then we're gonna go do some hooligan stuff.
Yeah, he stole the car. We had nothing to do with it. We're just enjoying the ride.
Yeah.
I love you so, the way that you do.
Fucking snow. Oh my god.
Is it love?
Oh shit, dude.
Shit, look at that, man.
Don't block that.
Dude, I don't know what the is over there, man. Be careful. Look at this freaking view right now. Look at that. Look at that. It's so beautiful right now. So you want me to take a picture of you, man? I don't think I've introduced my friend Mark yet. He's over there taking some footage of his own. And let's see how. See, I'm not wearing shoes that are meant for snow right now. So stupid. Oh, this thing is so deep. He went all the way out there trying to take pictures and stuff. What happened?
Huh? What do you mean? It's just like, I don't know, it's just hard to like step over. I look like a fucking penguin.
It's sick.
I look like a penguin, can you see it? Like,
Fucking penguin. Alright, we made it to a different spot now.
like the opposite side.
Yeah, so it's starting to snow again. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Oh shit, it is.
Yeah, we're just waiting on Juan right now.
What's he doing?
Putting on his shoes, I guess. I don't really know.
The fuck you doing, man? Oh, he took off his shoe, I remember.
Yeah. So
Oh shit, I forgot my shoe doesn't slide.
like I said, I don't really have like shoes that are meant for snow, and they're super flat. So I'm probably gonna slip.
Shit, you need this shit, man. Right?
Yeah, see, that's what I need. Fuck, I'm gonna slip.
No?
Can we go?
Go on, eh?
We can go that way, right? That woofs, man.
What was that?
Yo, so I'm trying to get a drink of water, right?
You're trying to get a drink of water.
That's disgusting. There he goes. I guess nobody has been using it for a while, so do it, man. Drink it.
It's really rusted in there, shit.
Yeah.
You think?
I don't know. I think actually after a while, I'm not using it.
I mean, do you think it's drinkable?
Yeah,
I think now it is.
I just wouldn't.
Volleyball. Oh.
That's sick.
Nice one.
That looks so cool, man. Guys, we're really like cold. I can't feel my hands.
Discuss your guards.
There's water in my socks right now. That was once snow, and now it's in my socks.
Well, this is not hot.
Temperature is dropping, right?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
And we still gotta drive home too, and it's snowing again.
And we hungry too.
Oh yeah, we gotta get some food too, man. So let's go do that. Oh shit.
Take a picture for me.
What the?
Yes, let's.
This thing is moving.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
You guys were starting to drift now.
Dude, I don't know if you guys saw that, but this
Oh shit.
this whole thing. Wait, let me see. Look, it I was like, the ground feels really weird.
I know, I was like, why am I?
Oh, that was creepy. Dude, imagine how cold the water is.
Yeah.
God.
You touch it?
No.
Try
Should I?
it? Yeah.
Be careful, man. Don't turn the camera.
I'm about to touch the water.
Just hurry up.
Shut up, man. Yeah, you would die like a matter of seconds.
Okay.
If I start drifting, call 911.
Fuck 911. I'm just gonna get the fuck out of it. Get the fuck home.
We're walking back to the car now because it's a little bit cold. It's getting dark.
And it's barely 5 o'clock.
I know.
It's our curfew. We gotta go to bed.
Gotta go to bed, man.
Ugh. The courtesy I'm giving you, man.
We did this one for you, Carlos. Hey guys. Now we're like getting some dinner And how long has it been?
What do you mean?
Since we left Battleground, like an hour?
About an hour drive. And then we were like looking for a place that was open still.
No, I was waiting for you. I thought you were going to invite me.
But everywhere we went is like closed. We wanted like real Mexican food. We couldn't find one because they were all closed. So we just ended up getting Taco Bell.
Keep going. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. You got this. You got this. A little bit more. A little bit more. Alright, good. Good, 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 good. Good.
If I had one of those leg thingies, I would like hung on to it while you guys drove.
So how was it, man? Driving all day.
Fun?
Driving all night.
Fun, dude.
Yeah.
It's a big booty.
The color though. The color on it look tight.
Yeah, let me spank it.
Stupid.
Oh shit! I threw a snowball and I slipped.
That's what you get, dude. Freaking car. What? Car move. Like an old man, dude.
That was a distraction.
That's a distraction. Oh shit. Don't get up, bro. Don't. What the kind of snow angel is that?
Dude, it's my boots and they have ice.
Okay, that doesn't look too bad. What do you think, guys? Rate that. It's alright. So we're trying to warm up now, and we've been out all day driving and stuff. I'm kind of tired. Alright, so I'm gonna take my friend Juan home after this, and then I'm just gonna go home and I don't know. I have work tomorrow, so. Alright, peace out, guys. I'll see you guys